Yo, yo, yo. Chilling on the CG today. City Grounds, Big Ripper. We outside, you know what it is. Look at that fire, y'all. Look at that fire. Thing's been burning for like 3 days. Got the crockeroos. Since I'm out here circling the block, I was thinking about maybe just doing a bike check on this thing right here. Haven't been on it in a minute. My tires were at 3 pounds of air. 3 pounds, guys. That means I haven't been on this bike for a minute. So guess what? It's time to do a bike check, a little refresher. All right, y'all, let's get it. The grips, go to your local bike shop, man. They got them. I don't know what the heck they are, but they got them. These are everywhere. I see them everywhere. So just hit up your local bike shop. I don't know what they are. They got like, well, those are SE bar ends, but bar end plugs. So, but yeah, I don't know what they are. Anyway, okay, guys, the pad set, straight off my red Anno. Okay, put these on there, and then I got the red stem straight off the red Anno. SE bars, 7-inch, 4-piece. Then we got the Tektro stock brakes. I'm thinking about getting the polished forks, guys. They're $150. Let me know what you guys think. Putting the polished forks on there. They sell them on Dan's Comp. You can find them anywhere. Might get the polished forks for this bad boy. That might look really good. Next up, Bozaks. I just threw those on there. Bozaks with the white wall. You know what I'm saying? Twisted Spokes by Felix. At you can go to Felix Bike Shop in Gardena. They do all the twisted spokes. They can powder coat them whatever color you want, all that. Stock rims. Oh, I gotta fix that. Look at that. That's trash right there. Stock hubs on this bad boy. This is the City Grounds Big Ripper. You don't see these bikes out there no more, man. You don't see them. Okay, I don't know where they're at, but you don't see them. This thing is rare. Then I got the Shadow Conspiracy pedals. These are the ones that cost like $70, guys. These are the ones with like the bearing and all that fancy crap. You don't need that. Just get the regular $39 pedals, man. Then you got the stock cranks. I got the sprocket from the red Anno. This is like a red Anno bike. All the parts that came off my red Anno, they're on this bike. So I got the sprocket. Then you know I got the Shadow Conspiracy chain, half link on them. Got the red Anno C-clamp. The red Anno seat with the Velo orange setback. I told you guys about that setback. Okay, I told you guys. I know a lot of you guys bought it. Man, game changer for the, taller guys. I got the Box 1 brakes. Don't waste your money. They feel exactly the same as the Box 2. These are 130 bucks. Do not waste your money. Big waste of money. Don't buy them. Get the Box 2s. They feel exactly the same. I don't even, just telling you guys, don't buy those. Box 2 are 79 bucks, I believe. Might be even 69. I'm not sure. But those right there, no. Then I got the SC chain tensioners. Desert. Bozaks in the back, of course. And the ride out supply reflective sticker kit. Man, I've been buying some sticker kits like crazy from Ride Out Supply lately. They've been shipping them out really quick. Getting my stuff on time. Loving it. I just recently ordered another one. You guys are going to be surprised. Well, not surprised, but the bike that I'm giving my nephew Davin, it was Chel's bike. And I didn't tell her that I was giving it to Davin. So she's like, why are you giving away my bike? But I bought her another bike that she don't know about. So she doesn't even know she's getting it. So I bought her another bike she doesn't know about. And I'm just letting her act a fool, for the past 3-4 days. I'm letting her act a fool, And she's been acting a fool. I might throw that video in here where she threw a whole bunch of stuff at my bikes. A whole bunch of paper. It was funny. I might throw that in this video. But yeah, she's got a bike coming, I think, tomorrow. So it's the pink camo Blocks Flyer. So I'm replacing her Blocks Flyer with another Blocks Flyer, So she'll be happy when she sees it, whatever. But yeah, that is my bike check for the Big Ripper CG.